Your gift may seem small to you, but to someone else, it might be everything. What will you do with what you have? Understand this. Sometimes failure is the very key that reveals your true direction. Your life will not be a straight path. You will get lost. You will be tested. But every detour teaches you something. And every fall moves you closer to the person you are meant to become. One day, someone will recognize in you a value you couldn't see in yourself. And in that moment, everything will begin to change. So don't be afraid to fail. Don't be afraid to dream. Don't be afraid to take risks. The chances you take, the people you meet, the faith you hold, and the love you give. These will define your life. Never be discouraged. Never hold back. Give everything you have. And when life knocks you down, remember only this: fall forward. Thank you.